The schematic diagram of the film penetration at this location let's take a look is at this position. This big circle is about this film roll. Then, the direction of this arrow. It's about where this film is going. First of all, its arrow is through these two. It comes down the middle like this. These two are about this aluminum drum on top. Then the film roll should come down from the middle and pass through this position. There's a body, including a black brush. Let's take a look. The round mechanism is about the whole needle. The brush is about this thing. So the film rolls from below. Let's see what the film roll should do. Find the opening first, then find it and pull it out. And you have to pull it out of there. The first step is to pull it out. And take a look at this schematic. The arrow direction goes through the middle here. It goes up like this from this position. So here's one. It's got a swing arm. There is a swing arm and a circle. So it goes down the middle of these two. Go around. This is a die rod. This standard is set down. Pull up the roller between the two. Pull it apart from the distance and pull it open for passing the film. So let's take the film from here. There's a rubber roller in the back. It's an active roller. Then, this is the glue roller. It has to be in this pressure rod between the rubber roller. Then wear it like this. Okay, let's take a look at the schematic diagram after wearing it. It goes around. Pass through this rod, and then wind it down. Go around like this. We go back and forth. Take a look at the back. First of all, we've gone through this rubber roller, then go up like this. It's this aluminum drum. It's all about aluminum rollers. Then come around. First, pass the one above. So here's the schematic diagram of a pendulum rod. Look at the schematic. This is also a swing rod. The swing rod is in this position. You can take a look. The pendulum is like this, so we're also going to bypass it. Come around again. Wrap it around the top aluminum roller. Go around again. Then, after reaching this position, it's got a film rod. This is the pole. Break it apart. That's why the folded edges open to the right. The reason for opening the mouth to this side. So go through the film here. He's pulling this way through here. So, usually here. The point is this location. Open through here. Okay, we normally pull a little more out. The upper and lower floors. Here, put this triangle board inside. Upper and lower floors. Straight, two hands usually grasping. We choose to put it in this place. Here's the triangle plate. You can't get it in directly like this. Slowly and slowly like this, pull all the way in. Put it on diagonally. Don't let it get away. After putting it in, down here, along the notch below. Slowly and slowly, pull like this. It's a whole institution before. Take a look here. This former conveyor is a whole institution. We're basically saying that the membrane below needs to wrap it. The film below is going to wrap it. Such a pack, if the mask does not run away after wrapping it. Basically put it over. Put the bottom below the top with, the film below rolls through here. Move to the front. Through this part. We pull them up and down. Just pull it over a little bit. Be careful not to let it put the film here. Don't do like this. It ran out. Put it in. We pull up and down. There's a film picker in this position. Pick the film rod, so we have to put this layer of film goes above the film pick rod. Hold the film up. Okay, then you come to the front again. Since the product I said is to pack this, so let's pull it out now. Normal, limited. This is the guide rod. The front end of the guide rod not only needs to be this wind knife. Just don't aim this air knife. On the inside of this wind knife, it will not be sealed and cut to the product. In this way, our film roll. We pull over. After pulling a little, 2 floors up and down, 2 floors down, below the film roll, grab it on the upper and lower floors. Film wheel device. It can be pulled up. Then all this location is. Lift it up. Just clip it in. Just clip it in. Okay, so after clipping in and embedded between these two synchronization wheels on the touchscreen first, pull it manually and try it. Here, you can see underneath. I'll pull it and try it first. Pull it to a point and then just roll it in. We can choose to seal and cut manually. Then repeat the operation a few times until pull again until our position. So this waste film, a fully automated machine must be used to. The scrap is reserved here to connect it together, linked together. Remember this lung film? Not from above. It's not from up here. It must have come through the middle like this. Through the middle like this. Tie it up. Okay, so after tying it up, then you can enter normal operation.